In this video, we're going to use trigonometric identities to simplify and rewrite expressions. It says find cosine theta if theta is in quadrant 2 and tangent theta is negative root 7 over 21. So quadrant 2 would be a triangle that looks like this. And we would have we'd have negative 21 here, because remember this is theta. And so if we have tangent theta, that's opposite over hypotenuse. So that would be root 7 on this side, which would be positive because y is positive in quadrant 2. And we have negative 21 for x here. Now if we want to find cosine theta, we're going to have to find the hypotenuse. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Negative 21 squared plus root 7 squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So negative 21 squared, we get 441 plus root 7 squared would just be 7 equals h squared. So you get 448 is equal to h squared. Square root each side, you get root 448 equals h. Now let's take the square root of, or let's start dividing 448. Well, we'll try to take the square root of 448 first. So second square root 448 doesn't come out right. So we do 448 divided by 4, get 112. So I'm going to write this as root 4 times root 112, which would be 2 root 112. And now I'm going to take 112, I'll try to divide that by 4. That's 28, so I get 2 times root 2, or root 4 I mean, times root 28 is equal to h. But I can simplify that farther. That's 2 root 4 times root 4 times root 7 is h. So root 4 and root 4 is 2 and 2, so 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8 root 7 is h. So this is 8 root 7. Now they want us to find cosine theta. Cosine theta is adjacent over the hypotenuse. So that would be negative 21 over 8 root 7. I need to rationalize this denominator, so I'm going to multiply by root 7 over root 7, which gives us negative 21 root 7 over 56, because root 7 times root 7 is 7, times the 8 is 56. Now I can reduce these, because I can divide both of these by 7, and that would be negative 3 root 7 over 8. And that's what cosine theta equals.